trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Mickey here. It's an exciting day. We've got the RX-8 out in the sun after we picked it up from the paint shop, and this is going to be your first time seeing the car in its new color. It's not that much different, to be honest, but we did go from the Mazda factory white to BMW Alpine white because it's so crispy. Look how clean that looks. As you guys know, my wagon BMW is actually Alpine white as well, so I know the color really stands out when the sun's out. There's no metal flake or anything in it. It's just a bright white. And when you do white and mix it with carbon, I think it's the best scheme. So that's what we've gone with. So far we've retained the wheels that were on the car when we bought it. These are probably going to change. This isn't the final wheel fitment, so we're just rolling on those for now. We really just wanted to show you guys the paint because it turned out so awesome. Let's walk around and see everything that's been done to this so far. So as you guys know, we had Flyride down. He hooked up the headlights. They've got some LEDs in there now that change all different colors and, you know, whatever it is you kids do these days with your headlights. But it does all that cool stuff now. We added a Cybon carbon front lip, which is really aggressive. It's very thick. It changes the shape of the opening a little bit at the bottom of the grille as well. So really happy with the way that turned out. We retained the stock front bumper because I like the way OE bumpers fit. So we've got the stock driving lights. Oil coolers are behind the stock openings. It's perfect. We've added a Cybon carbon hood. It's got 4 vents. This one looks really aggressive and I think suits the car really nicely. I love the little triangle rotor in the back side of the hood. I think that really complements the RX-8 styling a lot. And then obviously the elephant in the room here is the body kit. As you guys know, we used a Rocket Vanya Lions kit, which is a 4-piece aero kit. And as you can see, I had to trim it to fit the lip on. Normally this would wrap under the bottom of the stock bumper. We've actually trimmed it off so it meets our Cybon carbon fiber lip really nicely and it flows really well. So those are actually all bolted on with Downstar hardware. Thanks to Frank at Downstar for hooking it up on the bolts and the beauty washers. We think it really ties it in. If you're gonna have a bolted look, you can't just use some screws. You gotta use a nice bolt. So we used the Downstar hardware. Mirror caps have been painted. We've added a throttle windshield banner. Let's go around back. What do we got on the back? As you guys can see, we've gone ahead and added the carbon trunk. I think Evan did a whole install video on all this carbon stuff, but I'm going to give you the rundown anyway. We were on the fence about adding the GT wing to the carbon trunk. We were going to just give the stock trunk with the wing on it to the owner, or the new winner, the VIP winner. But we decided today that it needs the wing. So we went ahead and actually mounted the wing on, and we also did it properly. We used a thick steel plate on the back side of the carbon trunks so that the wing mounts have something to bite onto and it just doesn't rip off the carbon fiber over time as it's loaded and unloaded. And last but not least, we've got our AccuAir suspension. We've got a switch speed on there now. We're going to be upgrading that in a future video, so you guys will have to stick around to see what we do there. But this car has full travel with its UAS struts up and down, so we can get in and out of driveways without scratching up our new front lip, which is sweet. And the ride quality is really good, super comfy. And yeah, we've got our RT615 Falcon tires as well. So this car is really rounding out the exterior really well. At the moment, the wheel fitment's a little soft, so expect a change in that department very soon. So, oh yeah, and we added 10 horsepower by adding a DNA Garage license plate frame. Thanks, boys. So if you guys like the way this thing looks and turned out as much as I do, if you haven't already joined the throtlVIP program, you should, because if you become a VIP member, you're automatically entered to win this car. You can also get extra entries into the car drawing by ordering some throtl merch off of our site. This is all happening on December 31st. We hope you guys are all signed up. We're gonna go for a drive now so you guys can see what this thing looks like in action.